Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale again after a genocide run. Undertale is a unique game where your choices have lasting impacts, especially after completing a genocide route. The game remembers your actions, even if you use the in-game true reset option. To genuinely wipe the slate clean and experience the game as if for the very first time, you'll need to delve into your computer's file system and manually remove specific save data. This process ensures a completely fresh start, free from past choices. The first step to resetting your game is locating its save files. On a Windows computer, you'll typically find these files by navigating to your C drive, then into the user's folder, selecting your username, and finally opening App Data and Local to find the Undertale folder. Mac users should look in their library under Application Support for COM, Tabafox, Undertale. These directories hold all the memories of your past adventures, including your impactful genocide run. Once you've located the Undertale save folder, you'll need to delete specific files. Look for System Information 962 or System Information 963 and remove them. If you're playing on Steam, there are a couple of extra steps. First, disable Steam Cloud Synchronization for Undertale. Then, delete the remote cache, VDF file, and the entire 391540 folder within your Steam user data. This ensures that the game's memory of your genocide run is truly erased. Even after meticulously deleting all relevant save files, Undertale is designed to remember your actions. Some subtle consequences from a completed genocide run might still appear in future pacifist playthroughs, often at the very end. This is a core part of the game's narrative, emphasizing that some choices carry permanent weight. Instead of fighting it, consider embracing these unique narrative elements as a testament to your journey and the powerful story you've created.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.